Hello, my friends. My name is Karen, and I work at the York County Library in South Carolina. And welcome to our online Easy Reader Book Club. And our book for today is Kiwi Cannot Reach. And for this book club, it's not necessary to have the book at home. If you do, that's awesome. But we'll be reading it together, so I invite you to follow along with me on the screen. All right. Kiwi Cannot Reach by Jason Tharp, and we're reading with permission from Simon Schuster. Okay, first page. And look at that cloud bubble. It means he's thinking something. He's thinking, look, a rope. And now he's thinking, maybe I can pull it if I jump really high. And so he jumps. Oh, and he fell. And he's thinking, nope, I cannot reach. And see this bubble? Here he's talking to us. He's looking at you, looking at me, and saying, hey there, do you see that rope? I really want to pull it. Would you please help me? Yeah, I can help. You will? Great, I have a plan. All you have to do is push this launch button. And look how he's getting ready. He's sawing a board. He's banging a nail. Oh, he says, ready, set, push the button. There it is. Push. Oh, he hit the ceiling. He says, uh-oh, my beak is stuck. Can you help me get down? Try shaking the book up and down. Are you ready? We'll shake. Okay, did it work? Is he gonna come down? Ah, it worked. Thank you for shaking the book. Now he's gonna try something new. Oh, do not worry. I'm not giving up on that rope. I bet this cannon will do the trick. On the count of 3, flip the switch. 1, 2, 3. Flip the switch. There's the switch. Whoop. And he goes, pew. Uh-oh. Smack! Man, that did not work. Oh, and he says, well, that did not work, but it's okay. I have a new idea, and I think it is the best one yet. You just have to blow really hard into this bubble wand. Now, you ready? You blow. It's tricky to blow with a mask on. Ah, you blew a great big bubble. I am flying. And then, pop. And he says, I am falling. Oh no. Oof. He hit the ground. He says, all I wanted to do was pull that rope, but it is too hard. Maybe it's time to give up. At least I found this log to sit on. Oh, look at that expression. He's feeling discouraged. And now I think he has an idea. If I could just think of a super idea, maybe we could try again. I have a super idea. Would you please shake the book up and down one more time? It's going boing, boing, boing. All right, we'll shake it. Ah, it's on that springy spider web and boing! It launches him into the air. And hooray! I am pulling the rope. I'm so glad we tried one more time. We did it! Well, look what happened. He says, wait. Who turned out the lights? Well, that was fun. Can we pull the rope one more time? Can we pull the rope again? And that was our story, friends. Kiwi cannot reach, but in the end, he succeeded. Okay, so with that story, we come to our activity. Activity to go along with that story. So, what do you think happens next? Can you imagine what will happen next in the story? How will he reach the rope again? What's going to happen when he pulls the rope again? So, what you need for this activity, I'll show you what we're making. You're going to write a little story that follows up and explains what happens after. So I titled mine, Kiwi Pulls the Rope Again. Let me show you materials. So for this project, you will need several sheets of paper, and I used colored paper for the cover, but you can use plain paper as well. And what you're going to do, you are going to fold the first sheet, the title page, because this paper is a little bit bigger. So we're going to fold it in half, and then we're going to take the inside pages and fold them in half. And I'll put them inside the cover. So from here, you can do it different ways to keep it held together. You can use a stapler along the edge, or you can do as I did for this one. You can punch holes along the side. I punched 2 holes with a hole punch, and then I used yarn to tie it together and hold it together. So you can make your own little book. I hope you enjoyed that activity. And while we're talking about books and stories and things, I want to make sure I mention we have at the library at Rock Hill an early reader book club that meets in person. So we cover different books. It's a different program than this. But we have one coming up in March. I want to invite you to. It's going to be March 21st. There's a 3:15 group, and then there's a 4:30 group. So you get to choose which time works for you. I invite you to come to that as well. It's on our website for sign-ups coming up toward the end of February. Well, no, beginning of March, we'll be signing up. And our website is yclibrary.org. And another program that's really exciting that is online for the month of February. It's available to watch. It is the story of George Washington Carver. And it's by a group called Bright Star Theater. And it's called George Washington Carver and Friends. So that would be a really cool thing to check out as well if you enjoy theatrical performances. It'll be a neat thing to see with your family online. And again, that one is on our library website as well. It's yclibrary.org. And if you head over to our events page, you'll see it listed for the whole month of February. You can click on it and view it. All right. Well, thanks for joining me today. Oh, and I have to show you our book club book for our online program next month. Cat Has a Plan. And so for the month of March, we will be reading this one and then doing an activity to go along with it. So I invite you to come back and join me. Okay, friends, thanks for coming today. You take care. I'll see you next time.